Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome again to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. Sa araw na ito, magkakaroon muli tayo ng self-evaluation dito sa subject na Character Formation with Leadership, Decision Making Management, and Administration. 25 katanungan ang susukat sa ating academic preparation para sa subject na ito. Ang mga kasagutan sa mga tanong na ating ibibigay ngayong araw ay makikita dito sa ating description box. Okay? Kung nakahanda na kayo, start na natin sa question number 1. The following are character formation ways except A. Follow ethical and moral values. B. Help others with no expectation. C. Face challenges without stepping back. Or D. Falling prey to obsessing desires. Question number 2. Pro-social, sharing, donating to charity, and telling the truth are examples of A. Moral behavior. B. Moral values. C. Moral emotions. Or D. Moral personality. Number 3. Characteristics which make morality possible even though they are not inherently moral. A. Metaphor. B. Meta-moral. C. Methanol. Or D. Meta-value. Question number 4. Which of the following does not belong to Kohlberg's 6 stages of moral development? A. Principle. B. Social contract. C. Law and order morality. Or D. Thrifty. Number 5. Pre-conventional morality is typically found in children belonging to what ages? A. 15 to 18. B. 8 to 12. C. 4 and 10. And D. 1 to 5. Number 6. The art of motivating a group of people to act toward achieving a common goal. A. Administration. B. Leadership. C. Managership. Or D. None of them. 7. The following are leadership skills except A. Strategic thinking skills. B. Empathy. C. Creativity. Or D. Self-centered attitude. Number 8. Being a leader is more than a job position. A. True. B. False. Number 9. Someone who can see how things can be improved and who rallies people to move toward that better vision. A. Leadership. A. Leader. B. Boss. C. Manager. Or D. Supervisor. Next, number 10. Leadership is the act of guiding a team to achieve a certain goal through direction and letter A. Direction. B. Way. C. Motivation. Or D. Discouragement. A leader who avoids conflict and don't offer employee feedback. A. great leader, B, good leader, C, poor leader, or D, wasted leader. Number 12. The leader exerts full control over the team, and subordinates are expected to simply follow and obey, not to offer feedback or contribute ideas. A, authoritative leadership, B, bureaucratic leadership, C, transformational leadership, and D, all of them. 13. The process in which choices are made, change an existing condition, and to select a course of action most appropriate to achieving a desired objective. A, decision-making management, B, decision-making and administration, C, decision transformation, or D, both A and B. 14. Which of the following should be the first consideration in decision making? A, gather relevant information, B, identify the alternatives, C, take action, or D, identify the decision. Number 15. The following are the three types of decision-making management, except A, strategic, B, tactical, C, combat, or D, operational. 16. The administrative decision-making process consists of letter A, administrative activities, letter B, legal acts, letter C, both A and B, or letter D, none of them. Question number 17. Set of moral and mental qualities and belief that makes a person different from others. A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 18. The outer appearance and behavior of a person. A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 19. Indicates the traits of a person which are hidden from sight. A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 20. What may change with time? A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 21. Greed, curiosity, self-control, or optimism are examples of A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 22. Openness to feelings, competence, and warmth are examples of A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, dignity. 23. External appearance without being confirmed or supported by the mind and feelings. A, character, B, personality, C, reputation, or D, behavior. 24. Someone's behavior may be described by A. Character, B. Personality, C. Reputation, or D. Both A and B. Okay, 25, last question. The characteristics determining who or what a person or things is: A. Character, B. Personality, C. Identity, or D. All of them. Okay, so natapos na natin ang ating isinagawang self-evaluation. Alamin na natin kung hanggang saan ang ating nakuhang score sa araw na ito. I-check nyo na ang inyong papel gamit ang Keto correction na nandito sa ating description box. At kung ang iyong nakuha ay higit pa sa 20, congratulations, that is a good indication na maganda ang preparation mo sa subject na ito. And maintain that kind of performance until the time that you will going to take the board examination. Okay, so hanggang sa muli na ating isasagawang self-evaluation, inaasahan ko na naman ang iyong participation sa mga susunod pang pagkakataon. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.